in our company, we look out for each other. We all have families. We all want to go home to our families, so we're gonna look out for one another. Without safety, crew could be in danger. As long as me and my crew safe, we can travel home every night.
It helps us trust in one another with what we got to do on a day-to-day basis for our job, and makes it more efficient and easier to work with each other.
These trainings are very important. Everybody should be up to date all the time.
One piece of advice I'll give someone new in construction is to always double check your equipment.
Teamwork's important so no one gets hurt.
Everybody's effort makes 100%.